Alden Richard update, 4 stars on the floor. World premiere sa June 28 na. Bakbakan sa dance floor. Hindi mo papaulit syempre bilang host si Alden. At sasayaw din siya dyan syempre. Ito yung highlights during grand media conference ng Stars on the Floor. Kasama ang host na si Alden Richards at mga dance authority. Ayan na si Alden. Tulad pa ni Alden. Ayan o. Ang gwapo ni Alden. Saka ito yung interview kay Alden.
From the dance authority, the dance audience. As host bar, since you have the first-hand interaction with everyone, is there a specific story or journey ng mga dancers natin na you find really inspiring that you feel na audience can really resonate with?
I think sinabi ko to in one of the episodes na parang performance sila sa isang player. I think that's may performance kasi silang ginawa. And then that's get me. Wow, there's really more to dance than meets the eye. Hindi lang sa choreography, hindi lang sa music, hindi lang sa synchronicity. It's telling a story. Parang acting. Parang yung trifecta ng art, which is dancing, singing, acting, what have you. Really tells a story, and I think kahit sa hindi dancers, when they watch the show, I think somehow may-inspire sila to really dance. Kasi all of the choreographies and all of the showcases that was already done, na-shoot namin, iba-iba siya eh. And every taping or every episode, we look forward, anong bago. And I really have to commend the choreographers for that. And they are the ones who's really on top of everything. Makikita ko yung hirap nila. Imagine si Eljan, apat kaming sumasayaw, kinokoryo na kami sa isa with different dance moves. Sorry na guys, si Eljan parang mga at saka si Coach LJ pa na. And Coach, parang magalit. Yeah, but ako, I can't really say that I'm really a dancer. I just can dance. But with this show, yan. Sasayaw pa tayo ng ngayon. Yeah, but with this show, parang pwede namin tawagin talaga lahat yung mga sarili namin, makuhusay naman namin because of the experience.
Wow. Yeah. And congratulations to everyone and
Ito yung pa-update ni Sir RB dyan sa LA. Yung mga pinuntahan ng Team Alden. Good luck dyan sa LA. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more updates. This is Richard, the Action Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.